Welcome back, everyone, to Floki's Models. Today we're going to be picking the winner of our 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So, let's copy this link here, throw it over into Pick a Winner. Keyword filter must contain giveaway. Oh, it's already there for us from from our last one. Oh, we got 64 entries. Now let's pick a winner. Greg's Diorama Scale Models. Well, congratulations, Greg. Well, Greg, send me an email at flokismodels@gmail.com, including a screenshot showing that you are subscribed to the channel, and which one of the four kits that you want. If it's the Dragon German Destroyer kit, the Bandai TIE Striker, the Hobby Boss Hawk, or if you want the AFE Club 231 kit. Again, thank you all so much for entering. I'm blown away that we finally hit the 1,000 mark, and we'll do this once again once we hit 2,000. So hopefully, that will be in the near future for you guys. Again, thank you all so much, and stay tuned for many more builds to come.